Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make vegan kimchi at home. Get ready to dive into the delicious and healthy world of this traditional Korean fermented side dish, specially adapted for a plant-based diet. Making your own kimchi is incredibly rewarding, allowing you to control the ingredients and customize the flavors to your liking. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a probiotic-rich food that's both flavorful and good for you. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure together. Now let's talk about what you'll need. First, gather your fresh vegetables: a large napa cabbage, some daikon radish, a few carrots, and a bunch of green onions. For the vibrant and spicy paste, you'll need gochugaru, plenty of fresh garlic and ginger, and a good quality vegan fish sauce alternative to capture that authentic umami flavor. Don't forget a large mixing bowl, protective gloves for handling the chili, and a clean, airtight fermentation jar. Having these essentials ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. The heart of making kimchi lies in its preparation. First, you'll brine your napa cabbage in salt water for several hours. This softens it and removes excess moisture. While that's happening, prepare your aromatic kimchi paste by combining the gochugaru, garlic, ginger, and vegan fish sauce alternative. Once the cabbage is ready, rinse and drain it well. Then, in a large bowl, gently mix the brined cabbage and other fresh vegetables with your vibrant paste, ensuring every piece is coated. Finally, pack it tightly into your fermentation jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. Place your jar of kimchi at room temperature for about 2 to 5 days. The exact time depends on how warm your kitchen is and how tangy you like your kimchi. Make sure to taste it daily after the second day. Once it reaches your preferred flavor, transfer it to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process, allowing you to enjoy your delicious homemade vegan kimchi for several weeks. It's perfect as a side dish, in stir-fries, or simply enjoyed on its own. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.